Hi guys, I hope you're right. I need your help if ukhona ozokwazi. Guys, as a petrol attendant, I need your help. There is a guy who ran away ne-9,000 rand. If kukhona umuntu omaziyo, like I'll post zonke izinto comment section and everything. The guy uhambe engabhatalanga, and it's not like uhambile ubalekile. It was a night. Like segu I think it's been a week now, because besilindile sihleli, we thought maybe he's gonna come back ezibaye chilo. Ubhuti ufika wafaka ama-liter, I think it was 400 liters, of which it's 9,000 rand. So amabhawuzi asemsebenzini akakuvumeli ukuba ufake more than 9,000. It was a company car, ubhuti uyasebenza, but andisakhumbuli company yakhona. And then wafaka i-9,000 fine. Xa ebhatala ubhuti isebusuku mos izi-speed point esihlala phakathi. Xa ke ebhatala ubhuti le decline ikhadi lakhe, and then he tried to ukuba ngene phakathi acele thina as abasebenzi that if anyone who's carrying ikhadi lakhe ucela amnike account so that can transfer the money, like njani, because i-problem ayilo khadi lakhe, alina mali ikhadi. Since siyazi ukuba like zonke i-businesses zisebenzisa ama-fleet card for bhatala petrol, and then athi ufonela ibhosi yakhe athi zoyifaka imali kanjani. Okay, the guy waited for like 10 minutes phakathi esitolo. Boom, bhuti usemotweni, shaya imoto ispeed yasho yahamba engabhatalanga. And now it's been a week akabhatali, like akafiki nofika, like akho nto yenzekayo. And now siyabonakala xa ehamba kwi-footage that he was running, like wayebaleka, i-intentions zakhe kwakubaleka. So please guys, if anyone knows the company, the car, like number plate, yonke into, even the guy, faka kwi-comment section, and then anyone who can help, please. Hi guys, I hope you're right. It's me again. Guys, I see a lot of people have a misunderstanding about the previous video, so I'm here to correct or to make people understand about the video. Guys, andithi kula video ndigalele imoto ni la 9,000 rand, because ndiyanibona ni confused or ani understand. Abanye bayabuza, sisi uyaphazama, awukwazi ukuthi khona imoto engafaki 9,000 mhlambi 900, so uyaphazama. Aniphazami guys, 9,000. My bad, andithanga i-9,000 igalelwe emotweni. Ndithi la moto was carrying a tank, ngoba nibona la moto ina canopy, there was a tank at the back there, kulapho ifake khona i-diesel. And make fika umnikazi wemoto uphethe i-fleet card, i-fleet card yakhe 1. Xa uzugalele lo mntwana uphethe i-fleet card, qala ucheck expiry date, check number plate yiyo, check ama-liters agalelwa ngale fleet card. So zonke ezo zinto bezi-correct, expire ngayo, number plate right, yeah. And ama-liter afakwa ngala fleet card, it's 450 liters. So bengamgalelela u-450 liters because i-fleet card yakhe iyavuma. Hope ni understand ne. So lo 400 liters why ugaleliwe yethu bhuti befuna u-450 liters? It's because u-400 liters i-capacity yasemsebenzini, that akugalelwe emabhawuzini kuphela u-400 liters of which it's 9,000 rand. So I think it's clear, guys. Now it is clear, but at least bakhona we understand. Xa khona nga-understand ndangazama ukumchazela. Thanks for that. Thank you to those who are trying to help. Yonke lonto. Yeah, it's just like that. And to those ababuzayo ndihlala phi, I'm in Durban, working by Durban North. Ngase-Durban station kuSasol NMR. Uyi-one uSasol phaya. So yeah.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, honestly speaking, kuba petrol attendant in South Africa, it's just so sad in Kosiam, because there are always people labaton ola banende dilemma. Cabanga umuntu yofaka ipetrol ya 9k ethangini, akayifake ethangini lemoto. The car was carrying a tank labathele khona le petrol ya 9k. uma kabhadala bhuti ya decliner, wathi hlalahlalisa wabatshela ukuthi ababanike i-account yamunye umuntu to transfer imali kanjani. Because ikhadi lakho liya decliner. After that bhuti washaya wacitha onemoto. Gone bhuti. Hayibo guys, this clearly shows ukuthi vele bekade kutobaqola and uhamba nange-company car. Guys, this is so sad, because my petrol attendants each and every time kwenteka into lefana nale, they need to pay bona from their salaries. So honestly speaking, tinto letentwa abantu kuma-petrol attendants tibuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga, tibuhlungu shame. I don't know nala, imagine having to pay 9k for umuntu nje ukuthi uchamuke wafaka ipetrol watenazi utokhokha waqeza lapho wadla phansi. Hey do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.